Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to make some chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are consistently very tasty and very simple to do. We're going to begin by browning 105 grams of salted butter. If using unsalted butter, add a pinch of salt later on. Browning butter removes water that is inside of the butter and then begins to toast the milk fats that are left behind. This will add a sort of caramelly flavour to the cookies at the end and can vastly improve a cookies recipe just by using this step alone. And once it is browned, we're going to remove it from the heat. We're then going to add 150 grams of both granulated white sugar and brown sugar to a large bowl, mixing thoroughly to make sure it is combined. We're then going to mix in our browned butter before whisking in 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. This will then look like a thick liquid, which we will add half a teaspoon of baking powder to. This is the point I would have added the salt if I didn't use salted butter and if I'm going to add any other spices. We're then going to add 200 grams of flour and mix in until it forms a dough. We normally stop using the wooden spoon about halfway and just use our hands. We're then going to add our chocolate chunks. We only had some milk chocolate chunks around, however we normally use half and half with dark chocolate and milk chocolate, as we find that dark chocolate melts better. So if you're looking for gooey melted chocolate once they are cooked, make sure you include some dark chocolate. Chocolate chips can be used, but we'd recommend just buying a bar of chocolate and cutting it up roughly. We knead the chocolate in with our hands until we think there is enough in the dough. At this point, we're just going to wrap the dough in some cling film and let it rest in the fridge. You can leave this overnight, however we left this for about 6 hours. You can cook it straight away without resting, but it's definitely advised to let it rest for a bit. If you did rest the dough in the fridge, it may be a bit hard when it comes out, so we used a knife to just cut it up into around 12 pieces, and then used our hands to form these into balls. We then placed 6 balls onto a baking paper lined baking sheet. I sprinkled a few with some flaky sea salt as I like it like that. However, my family prefer them just normal, so I've cooked most of them without any salt on top. We then place it into a preheated 180 degree oven for around 8 to 12 minutes. We just keep an eye on them to see what they look like as they go, as all ovens are different. And some people like their cookies slightly underdone and some people like them slightly harder. So make sure they are cooked to your preference. And there we have some very simple and delicious cookies, perfect for any occasion. As we're now in the winter as well, I also like to make these cookies using cinnamon and ginger as well. If those are spices that you also like, I would highly recommend including these in the dough. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and check our social media handles in the description below.